Okay, here's another example of how to complete the square and put the equation in standard form. Standard form is when you can find the circle's center and the radius easily. So to do that, I want all of my x's and my y's on one side. I want my constants on the other. So in this particular problem, I'm going to add 6x, add y squared, and I also need to subtract this 70 on this side. I'm running out of room. Okay, then I'm going to write this x's first. X squared plus 6x, leave a little blank. Now the y's are all over here. We're going to have plus y squared minus 16y. The 70 goes, leave a little blank, and then the 61 minus 70 is negative 9. All right, now we're going to complete the square. So I'm taking half of this term and I'm squaring it. So half of 6 is 3. When I square it, I get 9. I'm going to do the same thing with the y's. I'm taking half of negative 16 and squaring it, I get 64. And I added a 9 and I added a 64 to both sides, so I need to keep that consistent. I'm going to now factor this trinomial in red, and it is x plus 3, x plus 3. You can skip this step if you understand it's going to be x plus 3 squared. And then here it's going to be y minus 4. Nope, I lied. Y minus 8. And y minus 8. And again, you can skip that if you understand that that is y minus 8 squared. When we combine like terms over here, we get 64. And then we can easily see that the center would be negative 3, 8, and the radius is 8. You can find the area by doing pi r squared, and you can find the circumference by doing 2 pi r. Again, I think on the activity you're going to do today, it's going to ask you when you find the area and the circumference to round to the nearest tenth, which is fine. Just use your pi key on your calculator for pi. All right, hope that helps.